ini yang mana, Puy? Oh, ini apa nih?
Ini masih lama deh.
Lah terekam berarti aku nih. Lagi bisa dipotong kan? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nirmala Dareningsi, NIM 5012000520. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang tugas UAS saya. Yang pertama yaitu intention to seek healthy information on social media in Indonesia. So far, healthy information has been shared across multiple social media platforms. The purpose of this study is to analyze the factor that influence healthy information retrieval on social media as the Netflix model in the reflection attitude farmer. Referensi Wijaya PR Handayani WV Azahrofi 2022. Intention to seek healthy information on social media in Indonesia. Prosedia Oxford Computer Science, volume 197, halaman 118 sampai 125. Elsevier. 2. Contrasting communication of sustainability session in the media coverage of plant oil, aggregate nutrient on tropical wetland in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. The article analyzes the denial narrative about the negative environmental impact of oil consumption on tropical wetlands by the Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore media. In particular, we focus on media coverage of the 2016 International Fleet Congress, where session visually misleading press the development of sustainable oil convention were made on tropical wetlands were made. Referensi Liuhen Felicia, Kanasafi, Smith, Thomas, 2020. Contrasting communication of sustainability since in the media coverage of plant oil agriculture on tropical wetland in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. Environmental Science and Policy. Volume 114, halaman 162 sampai 169 elesen. Ketiga yaitu Women and Social Media during Legislative Climate in Indonesia. Social media platforms have become one of the most important online platforms for political communication. However, little is known about how women use social media during the Global North and Global South campaign. The study will focus on the use of Instagram and Twitter in Indonesia to pick out how women should references as the platform in the 2019 general election. Referensi Fihatini 2022. Women and Social Media during Legislative Climate in Indonesia. Women Study International Forum, volume 83, halaman 11 10/24/17. Lalu keempat yaitu social media data analysis for outbreak risk communication public attitude on the normal during the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. Background. Began 2 months after implementing the software blockade, the Indonesia government announced a new normal policy to fight the counter for economic crisis. The policy has received a lot of criticism as Indonesia is slim expensive in the number of infected profiles. Referensi Rahmati R.A. Anggraini ND Lazuardi L. 2021 Social Media and Data Analysis for Outbreak Risk Community Public Attitude on the Normal during the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. Computer Method and Program in Biomedics halaman 205. Volume 205. Yang kelima yaitu analysis the impact of the media campaign and rapid testing for COVID-19 as an optimal control problem in East Java in Indonesia. With host cabinets and media intervention to treat people infected with COVID-19, no pharmaceutical intervention for the mass as full intervention for the spread of COVID-19. This paper provides and determines model dominated by a non-linear system of differential equality. The spread media carry information to raise awareness and rapid spread to take analysis as in the file. Referensi Aldila D. 2020 analysis the impact of the media campaign and rapid testing for COVID-19 as an optimal control problem is in Java in Indonesia. Just Soliton and Faisal. Keenam yaitu interactive gamification learning media affecting public children using Android smartphone in Indonesia. The purpose of the study is to develop an interactive learning media as a gamification on smartphone to increase very and to see public cleansing and the of the meeting was done. Referensi Sari C.A. Fadila M.A. Jonathan J. 2019 Interactive Gamification Learning Media Applicator for Public Children as Android Smartphone in Indonesia. Program Computer Attention. 7 yaitu it is in the now characteristic Indonesia will break the network from media reporter seizu in the text. Developing a strategy perspective to craft Indonesia will break and is important for will develop conservatism. However, a limited understanding of domestic trending network patterns and hinder the counter behavior. Referensi Indra Swarika Vietnam SR -10R 2022. It is in the now characteristic Indonesia is well-brain network or media reporter theory indicator biological comparison. Apanya itu sentiment analysis of social media Twitter with case of anti-campaign in Indonesia Navy Beijing, DC3 and Redon found illegal. Prefer of social media as a way to express the thought, interest, and opinions about different issues. 9 yaitu Institute Award of Indonesia Grade, an explanatory study of media comparison. The study infrastructure phase of instant relativity in Indonesia. The full process of this study was to determine the factor and victim of insect in Indonesia. The insect, the score, and the profile of the family to the insect. 10 otitis media relative hairy loss in Indonesia schools plans for frost. 11 context sensitive normalisasi of social media the bahasa Indonesia basic on real work embedded. The test of normalisasi social media that is Indonesia. 12 farming the sharing economic. A media analysis of revision farming in Indonesia and the Filipina. Retail reset has been done on sharing the level countries to investigate the forward fashion and farmer analysis of new content on Indonesia and Filipina. It is self-fed mass. 13 ada test and preliminary study for absolutely with data in Indonesia social media. Opposite word are distant, spoke or word the content of some word are fastened in the content of jacket. Vulgar say voltage or thousands more.
Kau udah mulai?
Referensi Ibrahim OM Budi 1 2018 the text in Philippines study for absurd liquid detection in Indonesia social media Profedian Computer Science. 14 the recent and relevant complaint of only healthcare system by Indonesia National Healthy Insecure and healthy skin behavior in Indonesia. Paper 4 assuring and complaints with media reference with the iniquity of the only 15 as study of government based on inflation in Indonesia. We do has reflected digital governance of government social media must the content and interpretation of society as part of it. 2.0 social media has very high level of activity individuals and authorities. 16 Indonesia that is perception of the us of talent very few. 17 the influence of fact output on system analysis relative to COVID-19 in Indonesia due to the increasing number of cases of the COVID-19 epidemic in Indonesia. Public static question with the confinement healthy of the virus is relatively low. One way to measure competitive strength is to a social media analysis. Referensi Pratama VS Prajayanto A 2022, The Impact of Fat on Systemic Analysis Related to COVID-19 in Indonesia. 19. The status of investigative neo-organization in Indonesia between 2010 sampai 2012. This take a look at person to explain the trade of investigative information covered in personnel or the Indonesia which can be characteristic via way of approaching openness the main boss of the inscript for investigation support in a brand new Demakaton in Indonesia. 19. Conspiracy belief and truth and determinant of COVID-19 patient and in Bali, Indonesia cross social and study. The take a look at the events, the threat of information corruption in personnel or the initial which can be connected via way of me of use of the inscript of in a brand new developed Indonesia. 20. The absence of class to support in alluring the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. The CRAD study aimed to influence the technology acceptance and study converse with finally online learning. A total of 22 studi for the defense study program at state respect Indonesia University in the only surface. 21. COVID-19 social and second review in Telekit Jamat in Lombok, Indonesia. The emergence of COVID-19 passport 22. Determinant of underfit motive in Indonesia, a nation seperti 3. Coral question in Indonesia, a review of policy and project. Indonesia coral reef had been fairly damaged by global and regional process and various aggressive restoration techniques are currently based to recruit the damaged coral reefs. 24. Anti-COVID vaccine and solution the conflict of oil experience in Indonesia. 25. Versus intention to share ethnic marketing. Market trends profile in Indonesia. In Indonesia, companies do share neglect and marketing for online marketing for its marketplace. So it is necessary to concept the impact of SME on the purpose intention of main purposes. 26. Facebook analysis of community sentiment on 2019 Indonesia President candidates from Facebook opening data. 27. Reconstruction of disaster included the role of indicator testing intervention for learning in Indonesia elementary school. 8 between zero defunction and zero tolerance from the stand navigation star of Palm Oil Companies of Indonesia. Literacy, culture, and management of elements social in Indonesia. Yahoo analyzes the factor the influence the seek and share of information on the smart city digital platform. Everything from Indonesia. The transformation of public speak productive and consumptive information in Indonesia. Individual process intrusion and behavior as of family mobile game during COVID-19. 3 managing social violence risks at the sonic level lesson for many subjects in Indonesia. 4 are the working principles of risk management at work in Indonesia. 5. The function of sustainability reflected question in Indonesia. 6. Speak social and speeding behavior in Indonesia in the theory when understood the healthy level in relative to the metabolism the analysis for the 2013 and 2018 Indonesia macam in health. 8. Evaluation of estimating basic layering platform for the respect of Indonesia study. 39 content transient account the floating and perfect process of region energy finding in Indonesia. 40 implementation of different ways of home energy points during pandemic COVID-19. 42 alarming cost of home implementation of state khusus in Bali, Indonesia. 43 better of the sun resource and differ in energy rate solar and 45 public management policy in Indonesia. Interactive of sensitive and studi from Indonesia. 9 purpose to disaster which reduce educative international and social industry forms of effort in Indonesia. 50 the post-COVID-19 stream demand for youth in Indonesia. This paper gave a clean evaluation and assessment using data at the COVID-19 on harm in the world within tourist sport in Java in Indonesia. Baik, itulah yang dapat saya sampaikan tentang tugas 2 saya itu luas. Baik, jika ada perkataan yang salah, saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Woi, di mana nih stopnya? Stopnya di mana? Berhenti.
Stop.
Sini. Sini. Sudah tuh?
Udah, langsung live.
Ini masih itu.
Langsung keluar.
Ini masih itu. Nih.